Hey, welcome back guys. I hope you saw my last video about GoPro carrying case. So today's video is all about the second part of the must-have accessories. So let's see what we got for today. So this is the first thing I ordered from Amazon, that is a bright lovelier microphone LAV101. So this is the microphone I ordered from Amazon for my GoPro setup for my helmet. So let's open and see what we got inside. So inside this box, we have got mic. Then there's this particular small button cell is given inside. This particular mic is given along with this head, so you can put it like this. The quality of the mic is not yet known because I haven't used it, but this looks good. They have given this small bag to carry your mic. So this is basically this is a 3.5 jack you can use. They have given this jack, which is additional jack given. Then there is a small button out here. The small button is like, if you are using this mic with smartphone, then you have to put it off. If you're using with other than smartphones, then you have to on this particular thing. And if you sort of rotate this knob, they cell. So there are two button cells given along with this mic. One is already inside this. Once this is done, we can opt for the second one. So this is nice. The one thing I sort of this they have given the cable, which is too long. The cable is sort of 20 meters. So they have given the 20 meters cable. I'm going to use this mic for my helmet setup. So I need to see how we can fix this long cable inside helmet. But if you're going to use this particular mic for say presentation or shoots, then you're able to sort of mount this mic on your collar or nearby your chest to record your voice. So I like the packing and everything. I like this bag, so it will be easy to sort of carry your mic. So if you see, there are three glass things out here. So one is the lens cap, the other one is the front display, and the third one is this LCD. So when I got this product, this is sort of Tesla guardian of gadgets. This is a tempered glass for the screen lens protector. So this guard, when you open, I got this sort of pepper to clean the portion of the mirror, or say this particular glass. Then there is this small amount of tempered glass given for the lens cover, and this will go on top of the lens like this. So this is the small one given. Then there is one more tempered glass given for back this LCD. So the fit of it will cover almost everything. I need to check after putting this on the LCD. So I have put the screen guards, or you say tempered glass, on this, and the touch is still working very properly. There's no delay, or I don't need to tap multiple times to select any option. So I'm able to, you know, sort of use it normally without tempered glass. The touch screen works, so I'm using the same way. So the quality of the tempered glass, this is Tesla company. I'll put this link in description box. They should have given one more guard to this front display, but not sure why they haven't given. They have covered only the lens and the main LCD panel. That's it. So that is the another thing I purchased. So I got this MI power bank for myself. This power bank is sort of, you know, 20,000 mAh power bank. It will charge your Android devices, it will charge the iPhone, iPad. They're using Li polymer battery for this particular power bank. It's anti-slip scratch resistance cover given. So if you see, the quality looks good, and it will not fall because the area of this battery is rough. They have given two USB points here, one type C point, then there is one button given to check the charging of the battery. So there are four LEDs given at front, so every LED stands for 25% of charging. So if all the four LEDs are blinking, then your battery is 100% charged. If three LEDs are blinking, then your battery is 75% charged. So this is 20,000 mAh battery, and this is sort of you know, dash charging. So it will charge very quickly, and you'll able to, you know, the, what you can say, you'll able to charge the GoPro battery as well. So let me show you the GoPro charger, which is inside the box. So this GoPro charger is, you know, given as type C charger point. So if we see this GoPro charger, you have the type C charging point. So this will be easily charged with the help of this power bank. So if you're traveling somewhere along with your phones, you can even charge the GoPro batteries as well. So this will be very useful to have. For this, the cost of this battery is 1900 to 2000 in market. From MI site, I got this in 1400 rupees. So this one more item, I got it. Hey guys, so that's it for today. So this was part 2, wherein we'll discuss a couple of more items to have when it comes to GoPro. So if you like my video, do hit like button. Also request you to subscribe my channel so you'll get the notification or upcoming videos. If you have any sort of suggestion, do comment and I'll work on those. Thank you.